working again today. You know we gotta start our day off with coffee. I think today we'll actually do a quick tour of the market, possibly, if I get some free time. Walk around and show you guys. Do a quick cinematic montage for you. Well, I think the rain has finally arrived. Now we just gotta get to the car, which is right over there. Not that one. Over there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage that I did at the market. I was gonna go into a more depth tour, but it was busy and it started to rain. And I didn't want my camera out when it was raining because we were going to go outside and do the outside tour first. It was raining pretty hard and it didn't stop for the longest time. But now we are home and there's really not much to do here today because I am kind of tired after working basically a 10 to 12 hour shift today. But it does look like it's going to rain again. Look at those clouds rolling in. Oh boy. Maybe I gotta batten down the hatches and possibly get ready for a power outage. What the heck is that thing? What the heck is that? It's coming out of the tree. It's like looks like a silkworm. It just fell out of the tree. Well, I do think that's probably gonna do it for today, guys. I will be figuring out something to do tomorrow. A big adventure tomorrow, but it is supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully we can figure something out either inside or we can go do something outside where it's not supposed to rain. Never can predict the weather in Michigan. It could say it could rain and then it could be a really hot day tomorrow. It could say it's not going to rain and then it just downpours all day. That's Michigan for you. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. And with that being said, guys, get your foot out the door and explore. I will see you guys tomorrow.